Today we're unboxing the TP-Link Tapo C520WS outdoor Wi-Fi security camera. Inside the box, you get the camera unit with dual antennas, a power adapter, wall mounting bracket, screws, waterproof seals, and a quick start guide. The build feels solid and weather-resistant, perfect for outdoor use. Now let's install it. First, mount the bracket on the wall or ceiling using the provided screws. Next, attach the camera and adjust the angle for the best view. Connect the power adapter and wait for the status light to blink. Open the Tapo app on your phone, tap Add Device, select Tapo C520WS, and connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Setup takes just a few minutes. Once connected, enable motion detection, person alerts, and night vision. And that's it. Your TP-Link Tapo C520WS is now ready to protect your home day and night.